Do you think God doesn't know about artificial intelligence, about merit, and whether or not that is being appropriately used in our workplaces, policies, and whether they're fair or not? What is going on with the government? All of the things that are happening out here in the workplace and the marketplace? Do you think the Lord our God doesn't know that when we walk out of church on Sunday, that we have to go to work on Monday through Friday? He hears us. And I just wanted to encourage you with that today. Trust what you see and feel. Don't be gaslit. Don't let people try to fool you. You know what you see and what you feel. We need to be vigilant. That just means that we need to be aware. The career ladder, and I'm kind of old school, we used to climb the career ladder. The career ladder that I used to know, that ladder in many ways is broken. With the advancements and improvements in technologies, we have to make ourselves indispensable by using our skills to find gaps and to solve problems. You may not be able to move up the ladder, but there may be lateral projects that you can do. Up does not necessarily mean an increase in pay. Maybe lateral may mean an increase in pay or an increase in positive incentives. But the one that proves to help the organization achieves its objectives may prove to be the most valuable player. That means that we have to use what we know already by skill stacking. Reset your list of skills, and if you're not sure, you can probably take out your most recent performance appraisal, consult your team leader or manager, or maybe you may have to just go old school and get a pen and a pad or your smart device and write down what you believe your skill set to be, all the skills that you think that you have, and see which ones are still relevant and which ones you can level up in by taking courses. You may just have to do some at-home online learning, whatever you can do to try to level up in your industry to help you figure out how your industry is going to be integrating technology. This means that not every task or job can be replaced with artificial intelligence. It is about how smart am I to leverage AI to make me better at my job, so that I'm not just sitting around here waiting around for AI to take my job. There are some human resource tasks that AI can now do, mid-level management jobs that AI is now doing. How do I prepare in the off season? God created us, so we already know that we can't be replaced. Today is the day for professional evolution. We are going to level up.
Be professional with Dr. Burks, Dr. Ellison.